hope you're all well. So today I'm going to be unboxing our brand new Balsam Hill Nordmann 7-foot pre-lit Christmas tree. I'm so excited because I've heard such great things and I've seen how realistic they are, and we wanted something that was gonna last us a long time. So I will give you my honest opinion and review as I'm going through the video and unboxing it. So when you open it, you'll see that you get a step-by-step manual, which is really helpful, and some further instructions. You also get a tree storage bag, which I think is really good, so you don't have to additionally buy one. It's labelled, it looks really good quality, and it looks like it's going to last. So as you can see here now, I'm just taking each section of the tree out, and each section is bubble wrapped to keep it all protected. So you'll see a short video just showing you some of the trees that they do. So they do from 5 foot to 12 foot. So if you like, you can go and have a little look and see if you like anything. As you'll see here, they actually label each section. So that'd be like section 1, section 2, section 3. So you haven't just got to guess which part goes where. Here you can see that it's neatly tied up with a ribbon. Just untie that and it will all unfold. Also, I was really impressed. You got this little bag, and inside it had spare end caps for the tree stand, 2 pair of gloves for the fluffing, some other little tools to help you, and some spare lights that were neatly in a box. So I was really impressed by that. Now for the fluffing part. So what I normally do is the branches that are at the back, I will have them facing up and slightly out, and the branches at the end, I will have them sort of more fanned out. Does anyone else have a dog that also likes standing under the tree? Here's more of a close-up of how I would do them. So the back ones I'm slightly facing up and out, and nearer to the front I'm spreading them out a bit more and fanning them out to give them a more fuller effect. Now I'm putting on the second section of the tree. As soon as you put it in, the lights automatically come on. This is the first time having a pre-lit tree, and I must admit I am very impressed. Now for the final piece to be put up, At this point, I was really impressed and I'm so in love with the tree. I just love the quality and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Once I've finished fluffing, what I normally do is I don't decorate it straight away. I leave it a day or so, and then if I can see any holes within the tree, I'll just rearrange the branches. Well, I'm absolutely obsessed with this tree. I love the quality. I'm so happy with the purchase. Everything was easy to put together. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and in my next video I will be adding the baubles. Thank you for watching.